Little snow this morning. It's not too bad. We don't have to break out a scraper or anything, thank goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Kevin's Glasses Are Broken and he doesn't plan on fixing them anytime soon. Guys, you saw the little bit of snow on my car. That's alarming. It's not only alarming, it's sad, because that means a couple things. One, I need to put the winter tires on my car. However, I can drive my car all year round. That's what I've been doing for the last 2 winters, and this one will be no exception. The other thing it means, unfortunately, is that the C63 AMG must go. That car, as you can imagine, the rear-wheel drive super sedan, doesn't really do well in winter. So we're gonna store it today, finally. You know, it's funny, I think 2 days ago was the 1-year anniversary of Carson getting that car, and it was raining the day we got it at night. Tuck it on the tail of the Dragon. It's just like the dumbest idea ever, I think. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Kevin. I do stuff with this S5, the C63, ton of cool cars on this channel. Hit subscribe if you are new. Like the video, please. It helps out promote the video to other viewers like yourselves. You guys know the deal by now. I'm just gonna go pick up the C63 with Carson, deliver it to the heated shop in which it's gonna be held. Shout out to M22 Detailing, always killing it. Not only do they make your car clean, but they let it sit in comfort over the winter. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward. I'll catch you guys there. We have transitioned to the Jeep. New decal on my car, if you guys didn't see that in the last video. We got a little M22 Detailing repping there. We'll get some cool last minute shots of the car, hopefully a little drone footage. Oh shoot, I need to get that out of my car. There she is. She doesn't like the snow, I can tell. Can we get a like for Carson's mustache? He's been working really hard on it.
It's terrible.
Pretty gross. Very nice. Carson is taking the C, and I am taking the Wrangler. I like this car a lot. Let me tell you, much better in terms of practicality, because we got all this room back here, and the steering wheel is heated. Excellent for winter. I wish my car had that. Then I would have to sacrifice the flat bottom steering wheel in my car, but I'm never gonna do that because I've fallen in love with it. It's like one of those things, it's flying first class. You experience it and then you can never go back. As much as I like the heated aspect, I think it's a no from me. We have arrived, and Carson's car sounds pretty good. I forgot how good that V8 sounds, not gonna lie. I haven't seen this car in a minute because it's been here ever since the weather got cold, and he's been in this one. Got to take it out for a little last drive of the season. Look at all this snow, my goodness. All right, what are we doing to your car?
Getting everything out of the
Carson,
inside.
you got a massive problem, man.
I know, those are all yours.
Those are mine. Guys, Bell's Two Hearted. Probably one of my favorite beers. What's yours? Alrighty. So you're just cleaning out the interior, or are you actually like detailing it like I did?
I might detail it like you did.
Oh gosh.
We're here.
A4 looking crispy with a little carbon. So guys, the tread on these bad boys is the main reason we're storing it. Carson's got some slotted and drilled rotors. Looking very nice, making me want some as well. I think, are Evans here, or did he take them home? These are Evans. Pretty cool. So I'm probably gonna get something similar to these on the S5. So that's exciting. I'm pretty pumped for that. There's like girl YouTubers who are like, what do I keep in my car? And it's like a whole 40-minute video. We can make a video, it's what is in Carson's car. We got a USB charger. We got a pen, a mask, sanitizer for all your Rona needs. Some empty water bottles. About 20 plastic hangers.
More water bottles.
Oh, thank goodness.
Walkie-talkie.
Hey!
Where'd that come from?
The walkie from the rally. I'll take that. Thank you very much. But I think we are giving his car a complete vacuum, giving it the treatment that we gave my car the other day, just as far as cleaning out the interior, getting rid of a lot of this crap He's got no Alcantara to stripe because he's a lame. Maybe over the winter we come visit, give the leather a good conditioning and cleaning. Inside of the car is finally clean. All in all, C63 is looking muy cleano. Well, we did pretty much everything we could have done today. I think later we're gonna come back and do an exterior detail of the car before it's actually stored and not touched for the winter. Carson's going to move it out of the way so we're not impeding on the business. Very clean interior. She's going adios for the winter, ladies and gents. We are planning on uploading a ton of videos, hopefully every other day. That is my plan as of right now. So I hope you guys appreciate the rapid fire content. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. My rotors are gonna be coming on soon with my new pads, all that sort of stuff. So, excuse me, I'm filming here. So we got a ton of content coming up. Hope you guys are excited. I know I am. Guy's got a car from the 16th century, so he was like, I need you to help me back in. I don't have a backup cam. So, unfortunately, I'm stuck with that task. That's for pulling back in. Mr. Evan at the door as well. Good day, sir.
Hey.
Evan, you want to tell me what we're doing?
You know what we're doing.
We got a couple confetti cannons, and why did we do this? Because Mr. Doug's car has been sitting in the shop for quite a while, taking up space. And
I don't actually know how to work these.
well, we'll figure them out.
How do you use these?
Don't aim that thing at me. What? Do you pull it? Oh my God. Perhaps the most anticlimactic
Yeah, these are pretty shitty,
explosion.
They're only $5.
Well, you know, I think the main purpose was to make it a bitch to clean up, and mission accomplished, I'd say.
I thought it would be a pie.
Oh,
You just thrown
I lost the top. Hold on.
You pull back up.
That's dangerous. Just
Open this back door.
Oh no. Well, Mr. Doug, wasn't my idea. Ladies and gents, excuse the background noise. In the shop, the boys are working. C63 is finally away for the winter. Excuse me. Thank you. Shortly, a paint correction is going down on this car completely. Watch out for that video here soon. We did a full decontamination, clay bar, everything on the vehicle, so it's looking really good. I'm super excited to get that project underway, but that's happening tomorrow. So we're staying filming, we're staying busy, getting as much as I can out to you guys. If you're watching this late in the video, surprise, next video I am doing the giveaway announcement. Be on the lookout for the giveaway video next. C63 getting polished probably after that. That is wrapping up the C63 video though, guys. Things away for the winter. I don't think it's being driven. Actually, maybe it is, because we have a Cars and Coffee this Sunday. If the weather is good to us, I think we're bringing the C63 with. So be on the lookout for that as well. Could potentially do a winter, December Cars and Coffee. I've never been to one so late in the year before, but potentially, like I said, if the weather's good, this car could make it out to that. So hit like on the video, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Adios, guys.